Renault has unveiled the latest generation Espace globally in its new avatar as a three-row SUV. The Espace was first introduced in 1984 as a minivan and went on to gain worldly acclaim, eventually becoming one of the Renault's most successful models. The car maintained its body style till the last generation, but its life as an MPV seems to have ended, as the current generation has been reinvented as an SUV that shares many parts with the Renault Austral. In terms of exterior, the new Espace looks like an elongated version of Renault's crossover SUV, the Austral. The MPV is 14% shorter than its predecessor. While this may seem like a turn-off to some, the new car is whopping 215 kg lighter as well. The Espace comes with LED matrix version adaptive lighting that monitors the traffic and weather and changes the car's lighting accordingly. The car is available in both 5-seater and 7-seater versions and comes with a massive panoramic glass roof as an option. The Espace is 4,722 mm long, 1,843 mm wide, 1,645 mm tall and rides on a 2,735 mm wheelbase. Inside the Renault Espace, the driver will be greeted by a 12.3-inch virtual dashboard and a 12-inch vertical central control screen. Moreover, the car can also be equipped with a 9.3-inch HUD head-up display and a Harman Kardon audio system. Naturally, there will be many electric assistants on board. Customers will be offered a 5-seater or 7-seater cabin layout. In the first case, the luggage compartment is 159 liters and in the second, 777 liters. If you fold the rear seats, the volume will increase to 1,818 liters. At launch, the Espace will only be available with a 146 kW E-Tech hybrid drivetrain featuring a 96 kW 205 Nm 1.2-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, a 50 kW 205 Nm electric drive motor, and a secondary 25 kW 50 Nm secondary motor to start the engine and help shift gears. The electric motors are connected up to 2 kW lithium-ion battery pack. On the safety front, the 2024 Renault Espace can be specified with a 360-degree view camera system, matrix LED headlights, autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control with stop and go functionality, parking assist, and rear cross traffic alert. The start of sales of the new Renault Espace should take place at the end of the spring. The price will be announced closer to the start of sales. Thank you for watching. To receive future updates, please subscribe to our channel. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.